Hi, Troy with Dirt Road Dancing here, and we've got another great fun line dance for you. This one is called Infectious. Now it is a 48 count, 2-wall dance that has 1 restart on it. Now it is considered a high intermediate, so it's going to take some time to get through, but we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. Now if you want to learn more great line dances and be ready anytime we post, make sure you subscribe down below and click on that alert button. Otherwise, if you guys are ready to get going, let's have some fun and get it done. All right, let's get started with that first set of 8 counts. We're going to take this really slow as we go through this. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is start with that right foot. We're going to kick it out for 1, bring the knee up, and 2. Then we're going to do a body roll for 3 and 4. That body roll, you go from the top down to the bottom. So with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now from here, we're going to take our left foot. We're going to kick out for 5. Then when we go and, we're going to go and. We're going to do a half turn with a kick out with the right for 6. And do another half turn, 7 with kick out, and tap 8. Some people like to kick on an 8, but tapping is just as good. That was a lot, so let's walk through it again slowly. Starting from the top, we're going to kick 1 and 2, body roll 3 and 4. Kick and kick and kick and tap. Let's put some counts behind that to make it a little bit easier. Again, we're going to go slow to start. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, let's go with the second set of 8 counts. So we just finished landing with a tap or a kick out if you want to. We're going to take that right foot because it has no weight on it. We're going to lift it up for and. We're going to slide to our right and end up in a diagonal for 1 together 2. Now notice again, we're in that diagonal. We're going to do a breath pump or a chest pump for 3, 4. Then from here, you're going to take your left foot. You're going to tie back for 5. And we're just reaching back. We're not putting any weight on it yet. So 5, you're going to turn 6. Now I start putting weight on that left foot. Then I do a pivot turn for 7, 8. So we're rotating around. Let's walk through that again. Then you should get on that left foot. Either you're tapped or kicked out. You're going to slide out. So sliding out with it right for 1 together 2. Then you're going to pump 3, 4. Take that left foot back for 5. Turn 6. Step forward with the right. 7. Turn 8. Putting weight onto that left foot. All right. We're going to do that all with counts now. Okay, just finish that part. 5, 6, 7. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put those 16 counts together. Now we're going to do this twice. First time we're going to do it super slow. The second time we're going to do it a little more to tempo, so we can start getting you up to song speed. All right, starting with that right foot, kick and down. I'll start a little bit over this way, so I got space to move. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, kick right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, 5, turn 6, 7, turn 8. So I get you through that first 16 counts. All right, let's do a song speed a little bit. We get a little pump with it, a little bit of funk. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6 and 7, 8, slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, back 5, 6, turn 7, 8. All right, now for that third set of 8 counts. We're now facing our right wall, which is our 9 o'clock wall. I'm going to face forward so you can see what's happening after my boots. So if I was facing that wall, we're forward on our left foot after that turn. We're going to kick it out. So you take right foot and kick 1 and 2. Not placing any weight on that left foot. Then you're going to kick 3 and 4. So we'll walk through those 4 counts again. Left foot has the weight. You're going to kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now from here, you're going to do a jazz box. Take that right foot, cross 5, 6, quarter turn 7, 8. You'll actually facing the back wall. So again, we're gonna do that pace this way, and then we're gonna turn the correct way so you can do it with me. Left foot has the weight. Kick in, out. Jags box with a quarter turn. 5, 6, 7, kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, box 5, 6, 7, 8. Now at the end, on that 8, we're actually gonna add a jump when we do this to land. Creates a little bit of style and fun. All right, let's face the correct wall. So if you're facing forward with me, turn and face the wall to your right. Take your left foot forward, right foot's free to move. We're kicking with our right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, kick that out. Kick 1 out, 2, kick 3 out, 4, box 5, 6, 7, jump. All right, let's do all 24 counts. Get slow, then fast. Remember, we're facing the first wall, and then we're going to be facing our 9 o'clock wall in these moves. From the start, kick in, down, then kick out. 5, 6, kick out, right, kick 1 and 2, roll 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6 and 7, 8, slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, back 5, turn 6, 7, turn 8, kick 1 out, 2, kick 3 out, 4, box 5, 6, 7, then jump. That was the slow version. Let's do it tempo, all right? Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6 and 7, 8, slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, 5, turn 6, 7, 8, kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, box 5, 6, 7, jump. All right, let's get into that fourth set of 8 counts. Now, this has got some fancy footwork. So again, you will be facing the back wall we do it the first time, but I'm gonna face this way so you can see what's actually going on with my boots. Now, the fancy footwork is kind of funky. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be on our left toe. You can kind of see I'm up on that heel, and I'm up on my right toe. So my right heel is down, my right toe is up, my left heel is up. From here, we're gonna go in. So we're gonna take our left heel out, our right toe in, then we're gonna go out, then we're gonna switch toe heel, out, and then back. So we come this side shuffle deal. Maybe you did this in grade school. I know I kind of did. Now the process on this is we're gonna go to the left, to the right, then left, left. Left, right, left, left. There's an easier way to do this, which I'll show you in a second, but try this footwork first, okay? So try it again. This is for your first 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you want the simpler count, because maybe that's what you want to do first, it's totally fine. Take your heels, go up on both toes, swivel left, center, right, center, then left, center, left, center. Keep you in the same counts, keep you in the same kind of fancy footwork, but maybe not as complex. So pick one. We're going to do it one more time. Again, the first 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now from here, we're going to slide to our left. Pick up your left foot. You're going to go 5 together, 6, placing weight on that right foot. Then you're going to kick out and down for 7 and 8, placing your weight on that left foot. All right, that was a lot. Take a big breath. Let's try it all together. Here we go. Just those 8 counts, fancy footwork. We did our jump. Again, we'll be facing the back wall. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe 1 and 2, double 3 and 4, like 5, 6, kick 7 and 8. All right, let's put all 32 counts together. Again, we're facing a couple different walls when we do this. Starting on our left foot, right foot with that kick in down. Slow first. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, roll 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, back 5, turn 6, 7, turn 8, kick 1 out, 2, kick 3 out, 4, box 5, 6, 7, jump toes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, slide 5, 6, kick 7 and 8. You made it through that part. Now let's take the song speed. My favorite. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6 and 7, 8, slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick 1 out 2, 3 out 4, box 5, 6, 7, toes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, slide 5, 6, kick 7 and 8. All right, we're into that fifth set of 8 counts. So I'm going to show them both directions as we go through so you can actually see what foot you should be working on. We're facing that back wall. We just finished our fancy footwork with our pitching down. Now our weight's on our left foot. You're going to take your right knee, lift, and then turn. So with that, it's 1, 2. 1, 2. And you'll be facing out of the wall. So do it with me, facing the back wall. Left foot has the weight. Raise your right knee for 1, turn 2. Now you're facing your 9 o'clock wall. Right leg is up, Captain Morgan style. You're going to take your right foot. You're going to do a coaster step. Step back, together, forward. So that's 3 and 4. So let's try that one more time with the counts. I'm going to face this way as we do it, because you're going to have to face this way eventually anyways. Left foot has the weight. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, turn 2, coaster 3 and 4. Okay? So let's do it face the back wall just so you can get that ready. Left foot has the weight. Knee up and turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4. Now weight is on the right foot. Now we're going to complete our wall change. We're going to step with our left for 5. Do a quarter turn, 6. Now notice we are shoulder width apart. We're going to drop our knees in for 7, 8. You can do weave in, out if you want to. You just do 1. You do 1 move, whatever, but you want to go 7, 8. So knees drop in and out. That was a lot of styling. You can have a lot of fun with these 8 counts. So let's do it one more time. Facing the back wall. Left foot has the weight. Knee up and turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, turn 2, coaster 3 and 4. Step 5, turn 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put all 40 counts together. All right, slow first. Here we go. 5, 6, kick and down, kick 1 and 2, roll 3 and 4, kick 5, kick 6, kick 7, 8, slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, go 5, 6, turn 7, kick out, kick 1 out, 2, kick 3 out, 4, box 5, 6, 7, footwork, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, slide 5, 6, kick 7 and 8, knee 1, turn 2, coaster 3 and 4, 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Whew. We're back to the front wall. All right, let's try it to tempo. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Box 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Slide 5, 6, 7 and 8. Knee 1, 2, coast 3 and 4, 5, turn 6, 7, 8. All right, we're almost there. This is the last 8 counts and our final and official wall change before we restart the dance. So we just finished with that funky little 7, 8. Now when we get here, put weight a little bit more on your left foot because you're going to do a sailor step. Sailor step, take your right foot. You go 1, out, and 2. So it's 1 and 2, moving weight onto your right foot. Then you do the same thing with your left foot for 3 and 4. So behind, out, recover, behind, out, recover. Let's try that again. Just finish our 7, 8. You're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now from here, you're going to step forward 5. Pivot, turn 6, moving weight onto your front foot. Then you're going to step into a turn for 7, 8. And it's a 2-step turn. For my spinners out there, you can do as many as you want to. See how many you can get. In fact, put a comment down. Let's know how many spins you can get on that turn. For the rest of us mere mortal dancers, we're just going to do a 2-count turn. So let's walk through that all again one more time. Then we're going to do 2 counts. So we did our 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, sailor 3 and 4, step 5, turn 6, turn 7, 8. All right, let's put some counts behind that completely. Here we go. 2 sailor steps, pivot turn, into a full turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Landing on that left foot. All right, we got the whole dance. Now we got to do it all together, all 48 counts. Here we go. Starting slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1 and 2. Roll 3 and 4. Kick 5. Kick 6. Kick 7. 8. Slide 1, 2. Pump 3, 4. Toe 5. Turn 6, 7, 8. Kick 1 out. 2. Kick 3 out. 4. Box 5, 6, 7. Jump toes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Slide 5, 6. Kick 7, 8. Knee 1, 2, coast to 3 and 4, step 5, turn 6, knee 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Whew. That was a lot, I almost lost my breath. But, you know what, I still got enough to do one more time, all the way, with tempo speed. We got this. Give yourself a high five, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6 and 7, 8, slide 1, 2, pump 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick 1 out, 2, 3 out, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump toes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, slide 5, 6, 7 and 8, knee 1, 2, coast 3 and 4, 5, turn 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, turn 6, turn 7, 8. All right, remember, this is a high intermediate, which means we've got some funkiness to it, which means a restart for us. It's a little tricky to find in the music, but here's your key. It's gonna come on the 7th wall. 7th wall, you're actually facing here, but it will be at the part where you're facing the back wall. Very confusing, I understand. Here's the trick though. When Snoop Dogg starts singing his part, you know your restart is about to come off. What it's gonna come off of is after that fancy footwork. So again, we're facing the back wall. We do our fancy footwork for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, slide 5, 6, kick 7 and 8. Now from here, instead of doing your knee up, you're gonna restart the dance. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick, right? So we've gotta make sure that when you're hearing Snoop Dogg, you know that the next time you face the front wall, through that part, you're gonna be doing your restart after your fancy footwork. Whew, you got it all done. I know, it was tough, but I bet you caught a little bit of that dance bug with this one. So if you're ready to stomp it out with me, get going with the music, click on that link in the upper right corner. It's gonna take you to the Stomp It Out video. Otherwise, make sure again you subscribe down below, and we'll see you out there on the dance floor.